In this video I will show you how to create photo typography effect in Photoshop. Go to Type tool. Type your text. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Convert to Shape. Go to Direct Selection tool. Now we will create a text shape. Follow the process. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Alt-press Create a clipping mask. Right-click and choose Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl-Shift-U black and white image. Go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow the process and press OK. Select this all layers. Click Group. Create a new layer. Go to Brush tool. Foreground color is black. Create a shadow. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.